Hello everyone and welcome to another Math tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 5 Additional Mathematics Chapter 3 Integration Long Question Example 2. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. The diagram shows a shaded region enclosed by the curve y equals to x minus 2 in a bracket x minus 4 and the straight line PQ. So the question asks to find the coordinates of the points P and Q and the area of the shaded region. So this is the area of the shaded region. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions. So without further delay, let us start to solve the question. Let us begin our discussion for the question part A, where they ask us to find the coordinates of the points P and Q. As you can see over here, point P is actually representing the y-intercept and point Q is representing the x-intercept. Okay, so let us begin with the y-intercept first. So we label our P as y-intercept. Okay, in order to find your y-intercept, what you do is you set your x value equal to 0. Okay, so from here, when x equals to 0, so from here your y will be equals to, in a bracket, 0 minus 2 close bracket, and then it will be 0 minus 4. Okay, so 0 minus 2 you get is negative 2, 0 minus 4 you get is negative 4. So from here y will be equals to negative 2 you times with negative 4. So negative 2 times with negative 4. So from here you get your y is equals to 8. So from here we know that our y-intercept is actually equals to 8. So let me underline this. Okay, and therefore we can write our coordinate P is actually equals to 0, 8. Okay, since it is a y-intercept. Okay, let me underline the solution for the question part A. The first solution. Okay, once we find the y-intercept, let us proceed with the second coordinate, which is the coordinate Q, or also known as the x-intercept. Okay, so from here our coordinate Q is actually the x-intercept. Okay, so from here, to calculate the x-intercept, what you do is now you set your y value equals to 0. Okay, so from here, when y equals to 0, comma, so from here what you do, so your x minus 2 in a bracket x minus 4 will be equals to 0. Okay, here you have two possible x-intercept value, where you can have x equals to 2 or x equals to 4. Either one of these value is going to be the value for Q, I mean the x-intercept of Q. So in this case we're going to take x equals to 2. Then you can ask me, sir, why you need to take x equals to 2? Okay, I'm going to show you a very simple explanation over here. So take this curve as the function y equals to x minus 2 in a bracket x minus 4. Okay, let's say if I extrapolate this straight line. Okay, and then I extrapolate this axis. So sorry guys, this is just a rough sketch, but I hope you understand the concept. Okay, when this graph intersect with the x-axis, it is forming the second intercept. Okay, but then in the question they're only showing the first and x-intercept. So from here you only need to take the first value. In this case is x equals to 2. Okay, I hope this simple explanation helps you guys. Okay, so please wait. Okay, let me erase this. So from here you should know that your coordinate Q is equals to 2, 0. Okay, let me underline the second solution. Alright, let us proceed our discussion for the question part B now. For the question part B, we are required to find the area of the shaded region, which in this case, this is the area of the shaded region, guys. Okay, for this question, we can approach using two methods. So one, what you can do is, you can actually find the gradient of the straight line PQ, and then from there, you can form the straight line equation of PQ, since you have the two respective point, which is point P and point Q, and you already find the gradient. Okay, and then once you get the straight line equation PQ, so you can use the area under the straight line, and then you minus with the area under the curve using the integration method. Okay, so you minus them both, you should get the area of the shaded region. Well, that is the method 1. Okay, you can do that, or you can apply the second method, which I'm about to do now, which is the easier one. So as you can see here, the area bounded under the POQ is actually forming a triangle. So what you can do is, you can find the area of the triangle by using the formula half times its base times its height, and then you minus with the area under the curve. Okay, so you minus them both, you should be able to get the area of the shaded region. So this is the overall idea on how we're going to solve this question. Okay, so before moving on into the calculation, so let me label this coordinate P and Q over here. So from here, okay, your coordinate P is actually 0, 8, okay, and your coordinate Q is actually 2, 0. Okay, so let us continue our discussion. Okay, like I said, to find the area of shaded region, okay, oh, it's not region, is region, okay, is equals to area of triangle, okay, and then you minus with area under the curve, area under the curve. Okay, so this is the idea, and from this idea we're going to change into the equation form. Okay, so since this is a very long letter, so let me write it as A shaded, okay, which it is actually representing area of shaded region. Okay, so from here A shaded is actually equals to half, okay, and then you times with the base. Okay, from here the distance from the origin to the point Q is actually 2, so from here our base is actually 2 units. Okay, and then you times with the height, which is 8. So since the distance from the origin to the coordinate P is actually 8 units. Okay, so from here, so you're already forming the area of triangle, half times with base times with height. In this case, your base and height is 2 and 8 respectively. Okay, and then you minus with the area under the curve. Okay, for the area under the curve, we need to perform the integration, okay, with respect to x. So from here, so we're going to apply the limit to 0, okay, and then we're going to apply the equation of y over here, which in this case is x minus 2, okay, and then x minus 4 with respect to dx. Okay, so from here let us continue. So this bracket we're going to expand. So from here we write the working A shaded is equals to, okay, the half and 2 will cancel off, so this cancel get 1, so this 2 you cancel get 1, so 1 times with 8 you get is 8 unit square. So your triangle area is actually 8 unit square. Okay, and then you minus with the area under the curve. So from here, integral 2, 0, so you expand the bracket, you should get x square minus with 6x plus with 8, okay, with respect to dx. Okay, so from here now we can perform our integration. So from here, area of shaded is actually equals to 8, okay, you minus with x cubed over 3 okay, and then you minus with 6x square over 2. You can write this, or you can straight away write 3x square also can, okay, and then you plus with 8x, okay, with respect to the limit of 2, 0. Okay, so you substitute the upper limit and the lower limit value respectively. So from here, area of shaded region is equals to 8 minus, okay, so from here we substitute the upper limit value, so 2 cube divide with 3 minus with 3 times with 2 square plus with 8 times with 2, okay, close bracket, okay, and then you minus with 0. Okay, since when you substitute the 0, 0 cube over 3, it will be 0, so 3 times with 0 square you get is 0, 8 times with 0 you get is 0, so since everything is 0, you can just write here 0, okay, and then you close the magnitude symbol. Okay, so from here you calculate the inside one, you should get your area under the curve is equals to 20 over 3. So from here 8 you minus with 20 over 3. Okay guys, so from here we are very close to our final answer. So you calculate this, you should get your area of shaded region is equals to 4 over 3 units square. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, let me underline the solution for the question part B. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I will see you in the next video.